Hello, viewers. This is just another one of my daily record. Oh my god! The thing! It needs Superbird's help. I need to go get him right away. Oh my god! Da 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 da. Amazing choir. Don't worry, Fing. I'm coming for you. Oh my god, Yellowbird, is that you? No, it isn't! Ah! No! Crap! I have a cape! Oh, yes! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm not Elvis. It's just my looks. Just the way Rio made me look in Angry Birds Space. Oh my god, are you okay? Oh god, I think he's dead. What am I gonna do? It's my first murder. What am I gonna do? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna put you right where I found you. Right where I found you. No, yeah, you stay there. You okay? If you still have final words and someone asks you what happened, Superbird did not do anything. He just walked by. He tried to save you, but you died. And when I found out you weren't breathing, I just stopped trying to save you. Okay? Okay? That's how the story goes, okay? Okay, thank you. Goodbye. I miss you, you thing. Never even knew your name. Okay, how am I hatching eggs doing? Oh my god! Oh my god! What? You guys okay? Oh my god, that's a dead corpse up there. Yellow! Yellow! Get over here. Yeah, what? Oh my god! It's a corpse in a tree. Oh my god! Who do you think did this? I don't know. What about you? I have a few suspects. Well, I'm going to Denny's.